Thanks for coming to Motorcycle Superstore. I'm JC and I have a boot here from Speed and Strength. This boot for 2013 is called the Hard Knock Life. And what you get is a utility style boot, a work style boot. It's sort of a classic look. It's got a nubuck leather finish to it in black. It's the only color selection available. It's pretty clean and I really like the nubuck. It feels soft, it feels like a pretty premium leather. Now what you get with this boot, first off, perhaps most important, is the shortened heel box. Now, it's kind of hard to tell just by glancing at it, but basically the heel has been brought back a bit from the middle of the sole. So that leaves you a lot of space in here, a nice, easy platform for you to hook your heel on, but rest naturally and comfortably against the foot peg. That's going to obviously make just for a more enjoyable ride over time. This is a non-shank boot. The sole is a little bit flexible, but it's also plenty rigid enough for motorcycle use. On top of the boot, you'll find that it has a toe plate. The toe plate is for protecting your boot while shifting, just a little bit of extra reinforcement there so that it doesn't get worn out. On top, to keep the laces in place, is a really nice buckle system. It's made out of plastic, but it's a locking buckle. It's adjustable. The strap can be adjusted in or out to fit your size of foot, whether or not you wear thick socks, whatever the case is. But the real value in this is that it keeps those laces from flopping around in the wind. It also serves another purpose to actually cinch it down. Like I said, you'll only find this in black, the nubuck leather finish. Check out motorcyclesuperstore.com. You can see more photos of it, find out some extra details about it, and decide whether or not it's right for your type of motorcycle riding. So, once again, getting super deals super fast. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.